Today, tons of zucchini become smooth puree every single day.
The process begins here at the receiving dock, where tons of fresh zucchini arrive daily.
Every day, tons of fresh zucchini are first washed, then rapidly moved through the factory line to be ground into a smooth, consistent puree.
As the zucchini move, freshness and safety, checked before processing.
Here in the lab, we screen for pesticide residues using liquid chromatography. The instrument confirms the batch has passed specifications and the results are logged.
Before moving to the next stage, samples from each batch undergo a rapid microbial quick test.
Once the batch is approved, as seen here with batch 734, the staging process begins, rapidly moving the raw zucchini toward the puree machines.
The process begins as fresh zucchini are loaded onto the conveyor belt to be thoroughly washed by high-pressure spray nozzles. Wash water is controlled like chemistry. The zucchini speed along the conveyor where optical scanners check for bruises and defects, instantly removing any imperfect produce with sharp bursts of air. The optical sorting system scans the zucchini for defects. If a flaw is found, the high-speed reject gate activates, diverting the produce. As the zucchini move rapidly down the line, automated cutters precisely remove the stem ends, aligning them for the next stage of processing.
After trimming, the zucchini move into this stainless steel tunnel for a final high-pressure wash.
Puree every day.
We enter the blanching tunnel, rapidly heated by steam and water to prepare them for processing into puree.
The sanitizer phase uses intense steam to heat the stainless lines, ensuring a completely sterile environment for the zucchini puree.
Clean is tested
With clean, filtered
In this cutting hall, fresh zucchini are continuously fed into high-speed slicers and dicers. This is
Key to the wash line is this water recycling system. It filters and reuses the water continuously, already saving thousands of gallons daily. As the zucchini is processed, trimmed ends and screenings are collected in these sealed bins, destined for compost and animal feed. As tons of zucchini are turned into puree, this ventilation scrubber ensures the air remains clean and comfortable.
Limits. Maintaining a sterile environment is critical. Workers must follow the hygiene.
Blanching softens the cell walls without overcooking.
Uniform pieces cook uniformly.
Section. Tons of zucchini puree are quickly brought temperature by chilled water sprays.
Transfer pumps move the blanched zucchini directly into the cooking and softening kettles, utilizing sanitary tri-clamp fittings to ensure a spill-free process.
Using steam jackets and powerful agitation paddles, the zucchini is rapidly cooked down into a smooth puree.
To create the puree, the system must reach a precise temperature. The PID controller actively modulates.
Safety gates stand before every critical step. Utilizing high-shear mixers and advanced pulper systems, the factory processes tons of zucchini, turning the raw vegetable into vibrant green puree. The progressive cavity pump ensures a smooth, steady flow of the softened zucchini puree into the pulper for further processing. Homogenization makes it perfectly uniform.
Standardization. We ensure that consistency is absolutely perfect.
This slow, controlled pour demonstrates the viscosity of the puree before it moves to the next stage of processing.
This screen is crucial. It
A gentle vacuum is applied inside the deaeration tank, efficiently removing the air bubbles and smoothing the surface of the zucchini puree.
The zucchini is first blanched and milled into this vibrant puree. We continuously monitor the viscosity.
This pasteurization line is capable of processing tons of zucchini daily. The raw product and a heat exchanger.
Heat makes it safe while keeping color.
The automatic divert-vert valve logic is crucial. If the temperature is off, the system immediately diverts the flow.
The pasteurized puree flows into this large buffer tank. A gentle mixer ensures a consistent texture. Emitter. The puree undergoes strict quality control. Scientists check the pH and Brix levels, ensuring the readouts stay.
Utilizing advanced machinery, the thick zucchini puree is dispensed in a smooth ribbon directly into standardized pouches, ready for the next stage.
Every gram is controlled.
As the zucchini puree pouches move through the line, they pass under the seal inspection camera. Here,
The automated date coder rapidly applies the batch number, ZUCU29, and the expiration.
Off-spec never leaves the line.
The finished pouches now pass through a sensitive metal detector to ensure no foreign objects are present before.
How factories turn tons of zucchini into puree every day. Full process. The final step in the zucchini puree production line is automated packaging. Here, the cartons are rapidly sealed before they are shipped. Specialized machinery prints and applies a unique SSCC barcode to each case of zucchini puree, which is instantly verified by a scanner for quality assurance. Every day, tons of fresh zucchini are moved from storage to the production line, where automated systems rapidly process them into puree.
The process begins as fresh zucchini is scanned into the warehouse management system, which instantly enters a storage location.
After processing, the puree is immediately transferred to storage, where temperature and humidity are. The control room oversees the entire zucchini puree process, monitoring wash water chemistry, blancher temperature.
Consistency is tuned in real time.
Closely. Here the reading is a stable 4.2, ready for the next stage of the puree process.
It all starts here at the loading dock, where tons of fresh zucchini arrive daily to be processed into puree.
How factories turn tons of zucchini into puree every day. Quality puree. Every day, tons of fresh zucchini are processed here. The finished puree is aligned by route in the staging area, awaiting transport. From fresh zucchini to
High speed, merging thousands of zucchini puree pouches as they move rapidly towards the final.
puree moves down the line, every pouch must pass through the metal detection system to ensure purity before final sealing.
The robotic palletizer stacks the finished zucchini puree cartons in a perfect interlocking pattern, utilizing
The final step involves automated stretch wrapping to secure the puree containers, followed by a forklift transporting the finished pallet.
This is how factories turn tons of zucchini into puree every day. The finished product is stored in these massive racks.
Every day.
Every day, this factory processes tons of fresh zucchini into high